Like the growth of a tree, our ancestors established roots within the community. The generations following provided the stability of the thick tree trunk. The current generations are represented by leaves extending outward. The leaf's ability to look out on the world provides a different view compared to the embedded roots. These two sources also provide the family with different nutrients needed to grow, whether from the sun or the minerals of the soil. By being in the later generation, I am able to take advantage of the mobility that's offered to me. Though I am a leaf, I still have built a connection with the older generations of my tree. My familial relationships were created through being rooted to a significant place, providing stability for growth and learning opportunities. However, since we have developed technology for new generations to travel and gain knowledge from around the world, the appreciation for our homeland has declined. We can only hope that we don't lose appreciation for our roots, for these roots have shaped the leaves we have become.
The hill country, I call it beautiful.